My name is Sherry Hall, and we're at the back of the Harding home right now. It looks a little rugged around the edges, and that's okay, because we're just starting the restoration process here. Right here you can see the original red color of the house. That's from 1891. But don't worry, we're not changing the house color to red. It will remain the dark green that the Hardings had on the house from 1903 on through the Front Porch Campaign in 1920. Now, speaking of the Front Porch Campaign, the restoration will take the house maybe forwarding it a little bit from its roots from 1891 to how it looked during the famous Front Porch Campaign and the year that Warren Harding was elected president. Where I'm standing is going to be a room built on back here. We know that during the campaign, the Hardings had an extra room built onto the kitchen for extra food prep space. That will be built, new wallpaper will be put up, and even the grounds will be changed so they look as accurate as possible to what the grounds looked like in 1920. So Harding 2020 is two parts. It's restoring the past so it looks as accurate as possible so we can feel like we were there where the history happened. And it's also building the Harding Presidential Center, which will take us 100 years into the future, allowing us to tell all the aspects of the Harding story and that time in history. Think about giving to the project.